My name is Gavin Reid and I am one of the lecturers here at Ayrshire College. This video is an accompaniment to the booklet you have been given on PVC conduit. This will cover what you need to do for your PVC exercise in forming cable enclosures for the PEO, and it will also cover some of the stuff you need to do for wiring and testing. Now, in this video, we're going to look at what the circuit is you'll build. We're going to have a brief talk on what PVC conduit is used for, and we're going to have a brief conversation on the health and safety involved. Starting off with what the circuit's used for, this is a two-way intermediate to one lamp. It could be to more than one lamp, but here we have chosen just one. Now, what that means, you've got 3 points of control, all to the same lamp. You would maybe use this in your living room, if you could enter through your kitchen, through the hall, and maybe you could enter from upstairs as well. At each of these points, you would need a way of controlling those lights. If you come in from work and you want to turn a light on, you then go through to the kitchen and want to turn it off. You come back in to eat your dinner and you turn it on, and then at night when you go up the stairs, you would need to turn the lights off again. So that would be why we need 3 points of control. You can implement more intermediates to get more points of control, but here again, we've just got two two-ways and one intermediate. Now, why would we use PVC conduit? Well, PVC conduit is a form of cable enclosure. When we use twin and earth, if we clip it direct, we don't get great mechanical protection. And also, it's not very adaptable. We have to go behind the wall. We have to be 50mm deep. We might have to put some form of protection to stop someone, for instance, screwing into our cable. So there's a few things involved with twin and earth. With PVC conduit, it can be a little bit quicker to install, a little bit more adaptable. For instance, if you look at the PVC trunking behind us, we can add more points into that and we can adapt things quite easy. That's useful for places like offices and for classrooms, for example. Now, why would we use PVC conduit over metal conduit? Well, PVC conduit is, potentially faster, definitely cheaper, but it doesn't offer the same amount of mechanical protection. Why I'd choose metal over PVC, it would be for an environment like a workshop again, but this workshop has a lot of moving parts and a lot of moving machinery, maybe a forklift. Then I'd be concerned that someone could hit off of my conduit and I would want to upgrade to the level of mechanical protection that could be offered with metal conduit. Now, just on the health and safety involved, prioritise what your lecturer says, follow his demonstrations. If you have got to wear safety goggles, safety boots, do so. If you're asked to wear overalls, do so. When you're cutting PVC conduit, be conscious of the swath that comes off it. If you have a bunch of plastic swath on your desk and then you put your hand down and touch your eye, that could potentially be a trip to the hospital. So make sure you keep your area clean, you follow instructions, you wear your PPE. Lastly, when we're working, we're going to make sure we follow the most relevant copies of the BS 7671. These ensure compliance with the electricity work regulations, which are statutory documents. When you do your power up and you do your testing, make sure you check everything with your lecturer, and powering up should be done with either the help of a tech or with your lecturer. So stay safe, enjoy it, and I hope it goes well.